Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is how we will display data from one file from one PHP form whenever we make a form and we put input data and we want to display on another page that data, and then we will also apply the if else condition. So for this purpose I make a form. In action, I have written the page name. On that page, we will display the data which we enter in the form. So for that purpose, I written method is post. So post means that the data which we will enter that will be displayed on another page. For this purpose, we made it post. Here we take input tag, that name is input, and text. Here we given the name as a ABC journal name. Now save it, file, save. The file name is HTML. So how we will save it? I want to show you. Save as, and then you need to select the XAMPP folder from the C drive. In the XAMPP folder, you need to select the htdocs because it works only if you save the file in htdocs. Double click on htdocs. Then I save this, make a file and given the name html1. In this way you can save it. Already I have saved it. Okay. Now how we will display this data? So for this purpose I will click on my browser. Here, for example, if you click on the local host, so the local host will be open. Here you need to write the file name. So my folder name is PHP files. Now I have given the name HTML1. Click on it. Now it will display. Day is. So I want that whenever the day which I enter here, it should be displayed on another page. For example, if I enter Sunday, so it is not displaying on another page. For this purpose we will need to make a button. So here I will make a button. Input type is equal to submit. Now if I save it, refresh it, here you see that I have made a button. The button name is submit. So if here I write Saturday, and click on submit button, it will not work. It give us error. For this purpose we will make another page which I have given the name as a byte.php. So I will make new text file and I will give the name of this new text file. I will also, first of all, I will save it as a byte, and where we will save it? We will save it in the XAMPP file in the htdocs. Double click on htdocs, sorry, and then click on XAMPP folder. And here, for example, I want to save it in PHP files, and then select the PHP option. PHP option. Okay. And the name of this file is byte. Click on save. This page we will receive the data when we input in here. So I want to display it on another page whenever I click on the submit button. For this purpose we will write here dollar day is equal to dollar post, and here the name is I have given it as a B C. So if we see here, name is ABC, the input name is ABC, so we will give it here the name is ABC. So $day we have declared a variable, and we will give the name of this input in which we in the text form in which we will enter the data. Okay, here we will display the data echo $day, and if we save it, now when we click on here, so there is some error, we will correct it. For example, we have saved it in PHP. Okay, here we need to write PHP like PHP. Here we need to write question mark. Here is the question mark. Now, because we need to enclose the code in a PHP text, so we will enclose this code. Now, if it will work, click on save. Now refresh the page. For example, continue. Yes, Sunday. Similarly, if you give the name here, for example, Saturday, and now click on the button, now this one page display HTML1. So if you click on submit button, so on byte page it display Saturday. Okay, now I want to do some changes in it doing the if else condition. For example, if I say if and I remove this one, and here write if $day is equal to Sunday, then echo today is holiday, and then if I write down else if $day equal to Saturday, then also write down here echo today is last working day of the week. Now, for the remaining day, I will also include the code, but first of all, I want to check this one code. And here, here I will refresh the page. If I write down here Saturday, click on the submit button. Today is holiday, perfect. Now it is working. If I write down uh, here I have, if I see my code, Saturday, today is I written today is last holy working day. So if I write here Sunday, click on button, today is holiday. Now I need to write Saturday. And click on. Now I will see the code. Maybe there is some error. Else if $day is equal to Sunday, echo today is holiday, and okay, now we will do some changes, because for equal signs we need double equal sign here and double equal sign here. Single sign means you are assigning value, but double sign means it shows that if $day is equal to Sunday, then today is holiday will display. Otherwise, if you given the name as a Saturday, then it will display today is last working day of the week. Save it. When we save it, now I think it will work perfectly. Yes, for example, if refresh it, and here I write down Sunday and click on the submit button. Today is holiday. Yes, it is working perfectly. Now if I refresh it, write down Saturday, click on submit button. Yes, today is last working day of the week. Similarly, if I copy this one and if I add some more days, for example Sunday, Saturday, and then I write here Monday, and here I write today is first working day. And similarly, if I copy this one, paste here, and paste here. So Sunday, Saturday, Monday, and here if I write Tuesday, and here I write down second working day, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and if I write here third working day, and here if I write down Thursday, and if here I write down fourth working day, and here if I write else, echo sorry, if I also write here, for example, I delete this one, copy this one, and here I will paste it, and here if I write down Friday, and here if I write down today is half working day. And here if I write down else echo you enter wrong spelling of the day, and here if I save it, now it will work for the whole week. Here if I save it and refresh the page, here if I write Monday and submit the button, today's first working day is displayed. Now if I write here, if refresh it and I write down Monday and then write down Tuesday and submit the button, so it displayed today's second working day. Similarly, if I write down, refresh the page, Friday, today's half working day. If I give wrong spelling of the day, for example, for such a day I have given such type of spelling and submit, so it will display you enter wrong spelling of the day. Hopefully you will understand how we will make page in PHP, and how we will make a form in PHP, and how from that form we will display data on another page. Thank you very much.